Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3. Let's go ahead and close this trunk up. Love the honeycombs there on the bottom. This is gray. It does have the alloy wheels and the panoramic sunroof. It doesn't move, but it is all glass. Does have the folding mirrors. I'll just go ahead and take you for a tour. It does have the LED headlights and tail lights. It says the vegan Tesla leather interior. Give you a shot of the VIN real quick. Model 3 branding. Go ahead and hop in and I'll show you the interior and the infotainment center. Okay, right here is your infotainment interface. This will turn the volume down so you can hear me. And turn the fan down a little bit so you can hear me a little bit better. It's pretty hot outside. Okay, so here's your navigation and your GPS. Okay, coming on down here, you have your phone charger and your other stowage, cup holders, and additional stowage and power supply. Looking up, see that gorgeous glass roof? Okay, let me run you through this. Let me take you to the first, very most important screen in my opinion. Shows you the specifications of your vehicle. It is a Model 3 Long Range Dual motor. It has 9,651 miles on it. It has full self-driving capability and standard connectivity. It has the premium audio system, the 2.5 computer, that's a fast computer. And you have the HomeLink 5 garage door, the quick controls, lights, locks, display, your driving settings, autopilot settings, and this is also where you would reach the blind spot collision warning chime, obstacle aware acceleration and such. Navigation, safety and security, your service. You can also bounce up here to see your backup camera, your energy usage map, the World Wide Web, there's Tesla's website. You also got your charging, your toy box, and your entertainment. So it does come with AM, FM, and XM. Here's the karaoke features. This vehicle does have a branded title. It did have some front end damage, which turned out to just be cosmetic. It was right here. As you can see, we got it all buttoned up and it passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We are the largest Tesla resale dealership in the area, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.